Have you ever wondered how copper is produced? Let's embark on an intriguing journey through the fascinating process. Copper ore is extracted from enormous quarries. Giant dump trucks transport the raw ore to the mining and enrichment plant, where the real magic begins. First up, the crushing process. Imagine a massive coffee grinder breaking the ore down into small grains approximately 2 centimeters in size. Next, it transitions into the drum mill, where steel balls grind it even finer. Next, a flotation machine separates the copper particles from the surrounding rock in this phase. Copper adheres to air bubbles, forming a rich, foamy concentrate. After thickening, filtering, and refining, we acquire a copper concentrate that contains approximately 25% pure copper. We fire up the furnace, removing impurities and transforming the concentrate into molten copper. We remove the slag and introduce air into the converters. The result? Black copper. Next, it goes into anodic ovens, gets purified, and is cast into anode plates. It is already 99% pure. But let's strive for perfection. The anode plates are immersed in a sulfuric acid bath, where an electric current works magic. This electrolysis process eliminates impurities, depositing ultra-pure copper onto cathode plates, achieving a remarkable purity of up to 99.99%. Now for the final transformation. The cathode plates are melted down and sent to a continuous casting installation. Here, the molten copper is hot-pressed into long, round rods, ready for manufacturing. And just like that, copper is set to power our world. From electrical wiring to industrial machinery, copper is a crucial metal that shapes the future of our civilization. Copper, crafted with precision, built for progress.